Bulk editing variants on a product in Shopify. I need to bulk edit my variants so that my inventory is not tracked. You can see here that they are tracked. So I'm going to click on my product and scroll down to the variants. Above my list of variants, I'm going to check the checkbox here, which selects all 31 and shows me the Open Bulk Editor button, which I'll click. Here's my bulk editor that I can change the options that I want, but the variants that I want to change aren't here. So I'm going to select Add Field. And in this case, I can either select Continue Selling when out of stock, or I can go to the Track Inventory, which I'm going to do here. You can see now that my column has come up with the Shopify tracks this product inventory, and I want it to don't track inventory. However, I need to do this for all the variants, so I'm going to select the top one and select the bottom one, and you can see the whole column is now selected. If I then make the change to the top variant, it changes all of them. And once done, I save. Remember, if you're updating a subscription product, you'll need to go and resync in your subscription app. And that's all done.